So we're going to start with Twitter. Twitter's a great tool because it allows you to search for your niche or your product or service or related products and see what people are saying about your particular industry, what problems they have with the existing tools that are out there, and maybe what solutions they're looking for that they just haven't been able to find. So one of the most effective ways that I've found to drive people to your site are to search for your niche on Twitter. So if you are a investment app, for example, you would search for investing or different questions that people might have about investing, and then answer those people's questions. And the point here is not to try to sell people on your particular product. The goal is to just establish yourself as an authority in the industry so that when people do have questions, they'll look to your account, they'll follow your tweets and engage with you in the future, and then hopefully become a customer. So then another way that I've found to get more eyes on your tweets and on your startup off of Twitter are to identify some larger accounts that discuss your industry and set notifications for when they post, so that whenever they post you get a notification, you can respond quickly. Just answer their question, engage with their tweet, suggest an alternative to whatever they're promoting. Say, well, that's great, I tried it out, but have you tried this product or whatever? Just be there so that when people interact with that account, they'll see your tweets as well, and they'll end up interacting with your account and hopefully going to your website after they've viewed your profile and will become a paying customer. And then secondly, I recommend that you use Twitter Analytics to figure out what's working for you. Twitter offers a pretty complete analytics tool built into its platform. So this will allow you to see which of your tweets people engaged with the most, which tweets got the most impressions, and as you tweet more often, you'll be able to get more data to see what kind of tweets people like looking at on your account, what they engage with, and you can just hone your tweets in the future to maximize your engagement and exposure for your product.